Okay, here's the alarm, POV alarm running. It's very, very, very flickery. So I probably will do a destructive teardown of this. I may keep the mechanism in place and build my own controller for it, because I think the flickering is just too bad. I have a niece with epilepsy, and it's the blue that triggers her off, so anything like this would probably be a no-no for her. So I'll see if I can improve on the refresh rate for it, my own controller. But yeah, it's just a quick look at it. Okay. In this teardown, I'll be tearing down this POV clock. I don't know if you can tell by the video, but the refresh rate is a bit awful. Very flickery. It's a nice concept, but I don't think I can stand having it in the room for quite a while. Plus, when everything's quiet, it is quite noisy. So okay, let's just turn it off and get it open. Okay, so trying a new angle for the recordings. Hopefully it turns out good. Comes with a nice 12 volt 200 milliamp adapter. Not bad. I'm actually running short on 12 volt power packs. Let's have a look. It looks like there's screws underneath the feet. How easy these come off for you. Sticky feet over them. That's good. Never have too many sticky feet. POV clocks are a pretty simple concept, just some kind of microcontroller in there and maybe a solenoid, some sensors, and there's 8 LEDs mounted on the end of the wand. Heavy metal base. It's some metal in there. Okay, quite a fair bit of stuff going on in there. Let's see. Okay. Looks like this. Screws here. I was gonna try and save this whole thing and so I can reuse it, keep it as a clock, but I think after seeing how bad the refresh rate is, I'm either gonna do a destructive teardown or I'm just gonna try and destroy the, get rid of the controller and put my own in. We'll see when we open it up. Tedious on this. Lots and lots of screws. This seat uses the inductive rubber membranes. The LEDs behind the lights there. It's different. How easy does this come off? Come on. Doesn't want to let go. There we go. looks like there's one screw there holding it together, unless there's another one hidden inside. No, I think they would be. Yeah, there's more screws in there. Figure out how this comes apart. So, take this off. I'll try and do it without damaging the plastic. Where's my screwdrivers going? Top off somehow. There we go. You can see a bit more of the detail. It's just a simple solenoid. That's the buzzer for the alarm. Pretty good. Is there any? Oh yeah, there's a sensor in there. You can get it in the light. Just the light so I can see it. Yeah, there's a sensor in there, and there's a little bit on the arm that goes through the sensor, so we can do the timing. And it's a 5-volt regulator. Now, the MCU, I can't tell. It's just a dye encapsulated in there. Let's see if we can get the rest of this off. Now, this thing alone, it actually is its own. It is a PCB. Board out. I'll disrupt in the mechanism. So I do like the mechanism in this. I may do some reverse engineering of this, reverse engineering of the signals coming off this, so I can figure out exactly how it's controlling the arm. I don't care about the alarm function personally. I'd like to make some kind of POV display. It comes, I think. Yep. Okay. A couple of chips under there. Now, I wonder what type that is. It's an A2. Come on. A2. Let's see. Anyway, I think that is a. I think that's a FET and an SOA, an SO8 package. Let's see if we can find out what this one is. Some kind of blade. Scrape that off. It's full of resin and stuff. It's like LS244. So it's just a 7.4 series. I don't know if that can be seen on the camera. Yeah, let's see. Drives there. Yeah, it looks like it. I might be driving the LEDs. Yep, I think it is. And there's the interface going to the MCU board. Nice to know what type of MCU it is. Maybe even if it's reprogrammable. So that'd be good. But there's I don't see any battery backup in here for the timer or anything, unfortunately. There's a 6 megahertz crystal in there. I don't know if I can get that on the camera. Yeah, right in there. 6 megahertz. That is for the MCU. But yeah, I suppose the next step now is to probably hook up my logic analyzer and